Shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday we have seen solving the system of equations by substitution method. In that, we have expressed one variable in terms of the other and substituted the value in one term to bring that equation in one variable, and after finding that variable again we substitute the value in the second equation to get the another variable. Thus we used to find out the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Now another method is elimination method. There we substituted the value of x. Now we are eliminating one element, then we are finding of the value of that particular thing. Then again we substitute the value in the other element, another equation to find out the other variable. Let us see solve the
Awesome. Okay. Make it open. Sir?
coming. The marker is not working. I'm checking.
Sir.
Okay, solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Now, two system of equations are given. Now you have to solve the system of equations by elimination method. By observing this x, now you see one is x plus y is equal to 5 and the another is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. What we are going to do, we are going to bring the coefficient of the one variable equal in both the equations. How we can bring the coefficient of one variable equal? Now this is 2x, this is 2x. I want to bring this also 2x. What I am supposed to do? Multiply the whole equation by 2. Multiply the whole equation by 2. What will happen? This will become 2x plus 2y plus 10. So now you got the first equation is multiplied by 2 to bring 2x plus 2y plus 10.
Plus.
Now, here already 2x is available, write as it is. Write the second equation as it is.
Yes, sir.
What we have done, we made the coefficient of this one variable equal. One variable equal. Now, if you add, it will get cancelled, or if you subtract, it will get cancelled.
If we subtract it, it will get cancelled. Sir.
Therefore,
Subtract.
this is 3 minus 2. This is the third equation. The second equation, you have not done any change. You have written as it is. The second equation, you have written as it is. That's why I kept it as second equation.
Sir, they give only two equations, no, sir. How
Yes,
we
yes, yes.
got
How we?
the third equation?
Now we have altered the first equation. We have altered the first equation. Why? Because we want to bring this coefficient equal.
Sir.
Now here you should have asked, sir, can't we make the coefficient of y equal? We can do that also. There is no problem. X or y, we have to see. Whichever is
I can't
smaller.
understand, sir.
Now, so far you have seen substitution method.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to eliminate Sen method. We are going to solve the system of equation through elimination method. Now the elimination is what? The elimination is nothing but removing one variable.
Yes, sir.
Removing one variable. Which variable we wanted to remove? X or Y?
Why we can't remove?
Now I
X.
want to cancel X here. I want to
Yes,
cancel
sir.
that X variable from both the equation. What I'm going to do,
Yes.
I'm going to make the coefficients of X. What is the coefficient of X here?
2, 1.
2, 1. I want to make both the coefficients equal. I want to make both the equations equal.
Equal.
So that I can cancel. So that I can get cancel.
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 Okay. By multiplying the equation 1 by 2, it will be
Okay,
coming.
2x plus 2y equal
Plus
to 10.
2y is equal to 10.
Then we make it as a third equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now, as it is here, the 2x is available. I am not doing anything. Multiply 2 by 1 only. Therefore, the same equation will be written. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now see. Now you see, this is 2x, this is 2x. When this 2x will get cancelled?
If it is
Then-
minus,
If it is minus only, it will cancel, sir.
Therefore, you have to subtract. Change,
Yes, sir.
change the sign. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now it will get cancelled. We eliminated x. We eliminated.
Yes.
Now 5y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 by 5.
6. See, 6 by 5.
6 by 5. Now one answer we got it. Y answer we got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you substitute this y anyone.
Value in the equation. Y value in the equation.
Now put this one in the first equation. Simple. Y value. Y is 6 by 5.
Plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. 5 divided by 1 to make the denominator equal into 5 into 5. 25 minus 6 divided by 5 equal to 10 by
19 by 5.
19
19 by 5,
5.
sir.
The
Therefore, the
solution
x
is
value.
19 by 5 and 6 by 5.
That's all the
Elimination method.
elimination method. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Is it clear? What
Clear,
we are
sir.
doing? Now we can do this problem by doing the elimination of this one. What we will do by to do the elimination of y?
Multiply the above equation with 3.
By 3. You have to multiply this equation by 3. Therefore, 3x plus 3y plus 15 is equal to 3. Now, this is plus 3y, this is minus 3y. What you have to do? Add or subtract? When it will get cancelled?
Minus,
If
sir.
we add it, then it will get.
If you add, then you need to cancel. When you add, that will get, because one is plus, another is in minus. Therefore, you have to
Yes,
add. If
Yes,
both are
sir.
same sign, then only you have to subtract.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Both are same sign, then you have to subtract. Therefore, the sign will get changed. If
Yes,
both
sir.
are different, as it is, they are different, so that you can cancel. Are you getting this
Sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the second problem?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Again, there are two
3x
system of
plus
equations. There is two.
second equation. 3x plus
Two
4y is
system of
equal
3x
to
plus
10.
4y.
2x minus 2y is equal to 2.
Okay. Okay. Now, by which one we can do equal x or y by seeing the
Sir,
equation?
we can go with. Sir, everything is different now, sir. How we can
Now you
make.
see how this is 4, this is 2. If you multiply
We
by
can
2,
multiply this
by 2,
equation into 2.
that's all. You keep the first equation as it is. You are not doing any change in that one. The second
Yes.
equation is multiplied by 2. Therefore, it will be 4x minus
Minus
4y.
4y is equal to 4.
That is 3. Any doubt in this?
No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Then by doing subtraction or addition, it will get cancelled.
Subtraction, sir.
Why you want to
Subtraction.
subtract? Why you want to do that?
Because different sign.
Different
sign
signs
will
are there.
get
You add it.
cancelled.
It will get cancelled.
Yes,
One is
sir.
plus, one is minus. If you
Yes,
add,
sir.
cancel. If you want to subtract, then you have to subtract. Then you have to subtract once the
Sir,
signs
your
are
voice
same.
This is
echoing,
echoing,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why is
Okay.
echoing?
If you are if
Yeah.
the signs are different, the signs
Then we
are
want to
different,
add it.
you have to add it. That will get cancelled.
Signs are
If are
same, then we
then you have
want
to
to
subtract.
subtract.
Therefore, the sign will get changed.
Yes, sir.
Now, 7x is equal to 14.
Equal to 14.
14. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then x is equal to
X is equal to 7. 14 by 7. If we
x is
say
equal
y
to,
is
are you able to hear me?
yes, sir. But someone's mic problem, I think. Y is equal.
Okay. Now here x is equal to substitute in 1 or anywhere. Substitute in 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 4y is equal to 10.
Sir, I can't hear your voice. Sir,
Give me 1 minute.
sir.
Okay, I am coming. Now here 3 into 2 is equal to 6. The 6 will go that side. Therefore, minus 6 will be
Sir, voice echoing. Sir.
echoing. 1. Okay. Again, it is getting down. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 4y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is 2 and 1.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Hey, phone Burma. Mitra. Phone. Okay. Are you able to get this point?
Yes, sir.
You have to bring that coefficient of the one of the variable, then you have to eliminate that one, substitute the value in the other equation so that you can get the answer. Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, two equations given. Three x plus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus. First, you have to put it in the standard form. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 9y minus 2y is equal to 7. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now here 5x minus 5y is equal to 4. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Here I want to make the first equation multiplication by 3 so that I can get 9. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Can we do that one?
Yes, sir.
Multiplying the equation 1 by 3 will become 9x plus
Minus 15y
minus 15y
equal to 12.
is equal to 12. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
No
But
doubt.
the
doubt, sir.
second equation will be coming as it is. Now, this is plus, this is also plus. What you have to do? You have to add or subtract.
Sub.
Add.
Add plus plus.
No,
If you add
minus,
9
sir.
plus 9, it will come to
Yes, subtract,
Minus,
sir,
sir.
because
you have to
see,
change
signs
the
are same.
sign. You have to change the sign. Then only this will become plus, this will become minus. Therefore, subtract, it will cancel. Therefore, this will become plus. Therefore, minus 13y is equal to minus
We so
Plus-
forward.
minus 13y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 by minus 13 or minus 13 by 5. Any doubt? Any
No
doubt?
doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Substitute this one in 1. Substitute this one in 1. Then what will happen? Uh, 3x therefore 3x 5 into minus 13 by 5 is equal to 4. Therefore 3x, the 5 and 5 will get cancelled. The minus into minus will become plus. Wherever the minus is coming, be careful. Don't leave the sign. If you leave one minus, the whole problem will go off. Be careful. This point is minus into minus will become plus. Is equal to 4. Therefore, 3x is equal to 4 minus 13. X is equal to minus 9 by 3 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the solution is minus 3 and minus 13 by 5. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here, this again the rational number has come. The coefficients are rational number, which is having fraction, which is having numerator and denominator. Now, seeing this equation, what you have to do? First equation, second equation. By which number you can multiply? If you multiply number 1 equation by
It get
2, if you multiply this one by 2, what will happen? these two
Sir, 2x.
and those two will get cancelled, only x will come. Therefore,
Yes,
you are
sir.
having x here also x. Therefore, I am multiplying the equation 1 by 2. So the 2 into x by 2, 2 into 2x by 3, 2y by 3, 2 into minus 1. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Therefore, the equation will become x, then 4y by 3 minus 2, that is 3. Then I am writing the second equation as it is.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No
Any
doubt,
doubt?
sir.
Not doubt, sir.
Now, this is plus, this is plus. What you are supposed to do?
You have to change the sign.
Therefore, you have to subtract 3 minus 2. Therefore, the sign will get changed. Are you getting? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
this will get cancelled. Then 4y by 3 plus y by 3 is equal to minus 5. Any doubt in here?
No doubt, sir.
Again, wherever
Doubt,
the
sir.
minus comes, please be careful what you have to do. Therefore, minus 5. Therefore, both the denominators are 3. Therefore, 3 you take it, 5y is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to minus 5 into 3 by 5. This 5 by 3, if it goes that side, what will happen? It will be
3 by
multiplied
5.
by 3 by 5. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
5 will cancel minus 3. X, y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Substitute this minus 3 in equation 2. Therefore, this will be x minus 3 by minus 3 will become get cancelled. Therefore, minus into minus, it will be plus 1. It will be plus 1
Plus 1.
equal to 3. The plus 1 will go to that side. It will become minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
minus 3 by minus 3 only get cancelled also the minus.
this is now 1 minute. You see, this is minus of minus 3.
Sir, minus into minus, it will
Why
get
one?
plus no, sir.
Okay, okay.
Then only this cancel 1 no.
Therefore, this minus into minus will become
Plus.
plus. 3 and 3 will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
3 and 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, 1.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1, are you getting Varsha?
Yes, sir.
Now, the plus 1, if it goes that side, what will happen? Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3.
Minus 3. No doubt, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, these 4 problems are, the equations are already given so that we are able to solve the problem very quickly and easily. Now, another 4 problems or 5, 6 problems are there. They have given word problem. You have to frame the equation, then you have to solve the equation. So far, any doubt in this?
No doubt,
We have
sir.
done,
Not doubt,
we have
sir.
done 4 problems. So, no problem, na? Anybody is absent today? No, na? Varsha,
No,
Soumya,
sir.
all are available. Okay. Okay. Now, one point. Find solution if they exist. What is the meaning if they exist?
Like whether it has a solution or not.
If it is a consistent, then only you will get the solution. If they are not consistent, they will not give any solution.
Solution.
Now the word problem, whenever you are attending the word problem, be clear what is given in that question.
Yes,
What
sir.
is given in the
Question.
okay. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. A fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? What is the fraction? Now we have to find out what is the fraction. let the fraction be x. Let the fraction be x. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Any doubt in this?
She can't understand it.
Okay. Read the problem, read the question properly, very, very carefully. If we add 1 to numerator, there is one numerator and denominator. This is the numerator, this is numerator, this is denominator. Now I want to keep the numerator is x and denominator is y. Any doubt in this?
No,
No, sir.
If we add 1 to the numerator, adding 1,
1 to the numerator.
1 to the numerator and subtract
I'm
1 from
subtracting
the,
1 from the denominator.
subtract 1 from the, any doubt here? I have
No
subtracted 1
doubts.
from, okay.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, fraction reduces to 1. Reduces to 1 means equal to 1. That is reduces to 1.
Equals to
That
1.
will be 1. Equal to 1.
1.
Are you getting this one? That's what you have written. X plus 1, y
Divided by-
minus 1 is equal to 1. That is the first equation. That is the
Yes,
first
sir.
X plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 1.
one. Any doubt in that?
No
No
doubt, sir.
doubts,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Come to the second. Come to the second. Another condition is given. It becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. The answer will become 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. Numerator is as it is x only. We are not doing anything. Only we are adding 1 to the denominator. That time it will become 1 by 2. This is the second equation. First, it should be clear whether the numerator denominator, the forming equation is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubt in the equation 1 and 2?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts, sir.
This equation 1, this is good. Now, you have to put it in the standard form. You have to put it in the standard form. What you have to do? You have to do the cross, 1 by 1 you can write, do the cross multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to minus 2. Any doubt? This is the equation number 3. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts, sir.
Now, again, the second thing, 2x is equal to
No,
y
no,
plus 1. 2x is equal to y plus 1. Any doubt? Or y plus 1 is equal to 2x. Any doubt? Cross multiplication method.
No doubts, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, again put it in the standard form. 2x is here. Y you take it that side.
Yes, sir.
1 you keep it as it is. Therefore,
Yes,
2x
sir.
minus y is equal to 1. This step, anybody is having any doubt?
No doubt.
No doubts, sir.
Because you can shift the variables here and there. There is no problem. Okay. You need not to bring this 2. If you 2x, if you bring this side, it will become minus 2x. Again, you have to
Yes, sir.
multiply by minus. That's why what I have done, 2x is already there. You take this one that side and keep the one
Yes,
here
sir.
and keep it as it is. Any doubt?
2x minus y is equal to 1.
Oh, on. Is it correct? Now, check the variable. This is 1. This is 1. As it is, if you put both the things, y are equal. Y are equal. Any doubt?
Equal.
Therefore,
doubt,
are
sir.
the same sign? Are the same sign or a different sign?
Same sign, sir. Minus,
Therefore,
minus.
minus. Change the
We
sign.
want to subtract.
Therefore, this will get cancelled. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 3. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now, put x is equal to 3 in one of the equation. Now, x is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
3. Here, 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Any doubt?
Fine.
Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. The fraction is x is 3, y is 5. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. Now, you can check your answer here. You can check your answer here. How you can check your answer? 3 plus 1?
Applying the value in the equation.
3 plus 1?
4.
4. 5 minus 1?
So, 4.
4 by 4?
1.
That 4 by 4 is 1 or not?
1 is
In the condition, what they have got? If you add 1 and subtract minus 1, the answer is 1. Is it correct?
is
Now, don't change this one. Only you add 1 here. What will happen? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Denominator is same. The denominator is add 1 plus 1. What is that? 6 equal to 3 by 6. What is the answer?
6.
1 by?
1 by 2
Is it 1 by 2?
1 by 2.
Is it
1 by 2, sir.
is
Therefore, you can check the answer with this. Any doubt? Whether you have done correctly or not. Any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? Shall we start?
no doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Huh? Or you need to do once again, or go through the things. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, this is one of the very good question. 5 years ago. 5 years ago means what?
-5.
Minus 5. Excellent. That's all. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are they now? How old are they now? Now
Yes,
they are
sir.
X and Y. Any doubt? Nuri is X and Sonu is Y. Any doubt in this? Upon 5 years ago, he will be X minus 5. Sonu will be Y minus 5. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Let the present age be X, the present age be Y. 5 years ago, X minus 5, Y minus 5. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the condition? Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri age is
X1.
3 times Sonu's age. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
This is the first condition. Now, equate the conditions, equations. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Any doubt in this? This
No
is the
doubt,
first,
sir.
No doubt, sir.
first equation you form. This is the first equation you form.
Formed.
The second equation. 10 years later, what I have to do? Add or subtract?
Add.
Add. Here you have separated because it is ago. Now
Ago.
it will become
Later.
x plus 10, x plus 10,
10.
y plus
10.
10. That's all. Both the people will be 10 years more.
10 years old.
But that time, what is like, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Apo,
Twice.
x
Plus
plus
2.
10 is equal to twice y plus 10. Twice y plus 10. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Not also.
X plus 10 is equal to twice y plus 10. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. You see here.
Hmm.
You see here. 10 years later, now to be x plus 10, y plus 10. Therefore, 3 times. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
Write the first equation x minus 3y is equal to 20, and the first equation as it is, because the x is same, cancel the x, and y also cancel, 20 also will get cancelled. 0 is equal to 30 we are getting. 0 is equal to 30. Is it correct? 0 is equal to 30.
0 is equal to.
Yes,
30 is not equal to 0.
Sir,
30
yes, no, sir.
No.
That is
Therefore, 30 cannot be 0.
0. Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Which is a false statement. Which is a false statement.
Statement.
Therefore, the pair of equations have no solution. That means the lines are parallel. They are not intersecting. The lines are
Yes, sir.
parallel. The lines
Not
are
intersect.
parallel. Therefore, they are not. The equations are same. The equations are same. Are you getting this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's why you cannot find the solution. You cannot find the solution because the statement itself is wrong. It's 0 is equal to 30. It is wrong. Some x or y comes, then we can find out the value. There is no x, y is coming. Both the things are get cancelled. Therefore, the things are, the statement 0 is equal to 30 is,
False.
therefore we cannot find the solution.
Sorry.
Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is one interesting question. If you understand the question, it will be more interesting. Listen carefully.
Sir, once again, can you tell the sum now? My connection.
Now it is 11 o'clock. What time you have the class?
11:15, sir.
11:15. Okay. We will revise this one and we will do that. We will close the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is your doubt?
Sir, that's the. I
5 years ago. 5 years ago. What is mean by 5 years ago?
before 5 years before.
Apo,
Before.
now he is X now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
he is Y now. 5 years before he will be X minus Y
X minus
and Y
5,
minus.
y minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
thrice as old as.
So
Right.
3 into
Ah,
sir,
Right.
whose age we take it as X and whose age we take it as Y, sir?
Nuri is X, Sonu is Y. Therefore, Nuri is
Yes.
X minus Y. This fellow is Y minus Y. Are you
Yes,
getting?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
sir.
okay. Therefore, this is not equal. This is the equation number 1. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, from X minus 5 is equal to 3 into Y minus 5. From that we derive this equation, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Now I have done one mistake in this problem. What mistake, you know? Now we have multiplied by 3 because that is thrice. Multiplied
Yes,
by
sir.
3. Okay. Now take the second equation. 10 years later. 10 years later. What will happen 10 years later?
Nuri will be the twice as old as
Nuri will be, he will be X plus 10.
Yes, sir. No.
He will be X plus 10.
2x.
Nuri is X plus 10 and Sony is Y plus 10. Sony is Y plus 10. Okay. Now, the condition is X plus 10 is equal to not 3, it is 2. I have done mistake here.
2
Yes, sir.
twice the age
Twice.
of.
This is wrong. 2Y plus 20 should come. 2Y plus 20 should come.
2y plus 20.
20. 2Y plus. You do as a homework, this one. Are you
Yes,
getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
second will be taken as a 2y. Therefore, it will be 2y only. This will be
2y,
2y. It will
is
be
equal
minus
to 20.
2y is equal to, this will be 30.
30.
How,
Or
sir?
10. This is 20 will be there.
Yes, sir.
Then when the 10 goes and minus, it will be 10. This will
It
be
will be 10,
2y,
sir.
2y and 10. 2y and 10. Okay. So then you can do the calculation. From here you can do the calculation.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, can I see the answer?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
This is wrong. This
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong. You
Wrong.
have to do the second equation, then you have to eliminate one, then substitute the answers. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
If you are clear with this thing, then tomorrow you will be having only two problems. Then we can start the cross multiplication method.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only two problems are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only two problems. This is very important problem that the digitals changing and all the thing. The sum of the digits and the digits is reversing and change. This is very important problem.
Yes,
It's very
sir.
important problem.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see tomorrow these two problems and we'll go to the cross multiplication method. By the time you check the answer of this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
doubt,
sir.
No doubt,
Okay.
sir.
Anybody absent today? Nobody, no?
No, sir.
Nobody
No,
else,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Welcome.